Once again, the Republicans, the Senate ones in particular, wish to punish people of color for the good works of a few. The Obama administration said in February of this year that $1.25 billion would pay off the class action lawsuits brought by Black and Native American farmers against the federal government. The House of Representatives voted in favor of the farmers receiving their decades-long due. However, as of last week, Color Lines and other media reported that the Grand Old Party in the Senate voted as a bloc to essentially stop the farmers from receiving their legally rightful settlements, especially when they discovered that a farm collective founded by their latest victim of the reverse racist smear attack, former USDA Rural Director Shirley Sherrod, who was a plaintiff in the 1983 case, was set to receive $13 million from the case. As of the last 2 days, Senator Harry Reid promised the Black National Farmers Association president, John Boyd Jr., that the Senate would vote before Congress adjourns for the summer. To be honest, I'm not quite sure why there is a holdup, beyond the usually suspect racialized politics of the GOP. In this case, they're needing to continue to keep people of color from claiming the rewards of their lands and the hard work of tilling them to feed this nation, including said Republicans. What Senator Reid needs to tell his GOP colleagues today, if they do vote today, is the farmers' legally mandated compensation isn't reparations for slavery, revenge for their ultimately failed effort to ruin Sherrod, or their continued referendum on the audacity of a Black man winning the presidency. The right to an honest living, including fair wages, is a sacred one, and the right wants to treat this right as a scarcity, something to hoard from, quote-unquote, those people who want to live in the U.S. with the dignity of earning their keep on their lands. This thinking and these actions are antithetical to the spirit and laws of this country. I hope that by the time you see this, Senator Reid will honor his promise and, ultimately, the farmers will get their money they so richly deserve. If Senator Reid fails to keep his promise to the people who feed him, his family, and quite a few of his own constituents, then he and the Senate have failed not only the farmers, but all of us. I'm Andrea Platt for GRITtv.